What's up guys, thank you for checking out this video. My name is Kevin with NIA Design, and today we're going to be installing the new NIA carbon splitter on this Lexus RCF. Stay tuned. So a little bit about the piece. The NIA carbon splitter is made out of 100% real carbon fiber, and we add the reinforcements on the bottom for all your lower cars out there. We also add all the pre-drilled holes into your car for your factory and your support screws. We also pre-drill all the holes for you for an easy installation. In this case, these back ones right here use your factory bolts, and these right here are for your support screws. And lastly, for UV protection, we shoot a nice heavy coat of clear coat. With the purchase of the NIA splitter, you're going to receive some nylon nuts, some support screws, and some replacement bolts. For this installation, you're going to need a stubby Phillips screwdriver, a 3/8 drill bit, a 10mm socket, and we recommend an angle driver for a quick installation. Alright, so first things first, we want to wipe down the bottom of the car, get rid of any rocks or any debris that you might have stuck underneath. Alright guys, if your car is lowered and you're going to jack it up, please use jack stands for safety. In this case, we're going to use an angle driver, so we're just going to creep up underneath. Alright guys, let's get started. First thing you want to do is locate all the factory bolts that are behind, that align with the splitter. Get your 10mm socket and start removing them. Alright guys, let's turn this into a nice family event. Grab a friend or family, and we're going to align the kit right under the bumper. And this time you're going to use the bolts that we provided to you, and just basically use the two corner ones and one in the center. Alright guys, once you have 3 or 4 bolts holding up the splitter, this is when you get the support screws, and you're going to drill them right through the pre-drilled holes in the front. So when drilling the screws, you're only drilling them to mark where the hole is going to be at. So just drill them a quarter or halfway in. You don't have to drill them all the way up. Alright, so now that all the screws are in, it should have a hole right through the bumper. Now what we're going to do is remove everything. You're going to see the holes that are marked with the screw. This is when you get your 3/8 drill bit, and you're going to drill holes right through every single support screw hole. Now that all the holes are drilled, this is when you get the nylon nuts, and then we're just going to install them on all the holes that you just did. Alright, now that the nylon nuts are on, we're going to reinstall everything again. Alright, now that all the factory bolts are holding the splitter up, what we're going to do is put all the support screws and thread them right through the nylon nuts that we just installed. So very important, when you're drilling with if you're using a drill, only use it halfway, because you don't want the drill to over tighten and strip the nylon nuts. So now that all the screws are in halfway, this is when you get the stubby Phillips screwdriver, and you hand tighten them. That way you prevent from over tightening and stripping the nylon nuts. Alright, so lastly, we're going to tighten up all the factory bolts and get your 10mm socket. Let's do it. Alright guys, once all your screws are tight, you are good to go. Thanks again for watching this video. Please check out our website for this and many other products that we have for the Lexus RCF. If you have any questions, comment below. We always get back to everybody. Thanks again.